Welcome back to my channel.
I'm gonna record myself riding, so we'll get a little clip of that. Yeah. Let's hope today's exciting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Let's hope today is amazing.
So I got to work, but I was recording the whole way over here and the camera was angled up, so you couldn't see what I was recording while I was riding here. So this, I had it like that. So I recorded about 20 minutes or 30 minutes of the sky. So now I gotta record going back home. Angled out, down. All right, here I go. Finally get to ride again. Da-da-da. I really need to go to the restroom. Eating right now before the festivities. What does Bird eat? Broccoli and cheese. Broccoli, cheese, and rice. Carb up for tonight. I don't even know what to record for you guys. Like, if I start talking, what do you guys want to listen to? Or what? Well, not listen to. Like, it's this freaking movie. Movie. Did you hear that? Freaking caught myself. It is hot today. Hot tamales. I really want a michelada. I want to do challenges. Who's down to do some challenges? Or would you rathers? Have I ever or never? Or what is that? Have I ever? I have never.
what's that game called? That damn game. But I want to play some of those. Hit me up if you want to join me in those kind of videos. I've been solo bolo for a while. It's kind of boring. Holla at me. Just a little bit. Yeah. Stay tuned. I will record me getting ready. Alright, so now I'm doing my makeup. Right. Putting down my base. Damn, on the camera that shit looks really orange. Hold on, let me back up. Oh wow. Let's blend that in a little bit. It's so quiet. So base. It'll look good. Promise. I promise it'll look good. Let me know if you guys wanted me to do more makeup videos. That'd be awesome. Awesome. It is freaking hot today. Face down. Base down. I'm using the James Charles Morphe palette. Look at all them colors. Ooh. I changed my eyelash glue. Now I'm using Revlon because I think I started getting allergic to House of Lashes glue. I don't know what was happening. I felt like the eyelash was kind of squeezing my eyelid, and then every time I'd take it off, it would get like swollen around the eyeliner line. I don't know if it's just a change of weather or the glue got old, or I don't know. But so far, the Revlon glue was recommended to me by Vivian, my friend, and so far it's been good, you know. But I still like the texture of House of Lashes because it's like tacky and thick, and then you could really feel it like on and stuck. This one's light. I mean, I like it. It's working. My eyelids or my lash line looks a little better than before. And then I also like use halo liner so you can't see how poofy it is, or you know what I mean? I can hear my dog snoring right now. She's on the floor. These lashes are amazeballs. Look at this. Hold on, let me fix it. Let me fix that. Yeah, I can feel it now. I like the feeling of it, like when it presses against the skin, you know it's on for good. A few hours and it should be there for good. Squeeze that mug together. Push them back. Oh shoot. Shoot. What the? If I pushed it back, why did it fall like that? I got contacts on. They're amethyst contacts by AccuView. But yeah, look at that. My lashes look bomb. Damn, you see that white hair on my freaking head? Okay, so now I'm gonna contour a little bit. I never contour anymore. But lately, my face looking a little hefty.
Don't worry, I'm gonna work on it. Trying out sweets, trying not to order soda, all that stuff. So I'm using the Kat Von D palette. Oh, sorry. I'll do one side now. Okay, jawline. Now blend it. Make those wondering, y'all. You never know. Look at this. Double chin. Got that going on. Oh. brush a little. And this one's all poofy. So I like to pinch it a little together so it gets more in the crevices. You can use a small brush too. Dang, you hear my chair squeaking? Whatever. Dang, look at that. Beat up. Okay, so beat. Oh, I don't know what to use. I still like this. It's still my favorite. From Kat Von D. What's it called? Susperia. It pops. Yeah. Can you believe it? I'm really getting ready. I never, ever get ready.
With the hair and everything. I'm looking like my old, dang, my hair's falling out. I'm looking like my old freaking, my old videos. My name is. Now, look at me now and then look at the beginning of the video. What? I should beat my face more often. Oh. Looks good. Whoa. Maybe a little more blending.
Holy mother.
Tip number 1 of the night. Do not lean my head on anyone's shirt. Let me change. Show you my outfit. Let's go into the mirror. That's my, crap. Well, that's the shoe that I'm gonna wear. Can't see it over here. Like that. Almost brighter. Down to my pants. White pants. How's it look? Good. Got the strappy things on my shoe. Alright. Like this. I think it looks good. I have not dressed up in so long. Ooh. I need a fan on. It is hot in here. I like my outfit. I don't care what you say.
Got Adrian over here with stains all over his shirt. What, move the water bottle. Why are you hiding it for?
There's nothing.
It's right here.
Look.
And his shirt's long. We got a long shirt here.
I'm going home then.
What?
I'm going home.
We're on YouTube. We can cross the street now.
This is how it looks like to go out in downtown San Jose.
Yeah. This is what it looks like right now. We're going to Avery right there.
When I shoot my shot, that shit ready like I'm Shaq. See the shots that I took. Wet like I'm